Okay, here we have the homework 4.C.2, and it's 13.52 in the Chang book. It is a kinetics question about this reaction here, x2 plus y plus z, yielding xy plus xz. Somebody has done the initial rates on it and found that doubling x2 doubles the rate. So that tells me x2 is first order. They found that tripling y triples the rate, so that tells me once again that y is first order. However, doubling z has no effect on the rate, so that tells us that the order is 0 for z. So letter A, what is the rate law? Rate equals k x2 y. Letter B asks, why doesn't z affect the rate? Why is z not found in the rate law? And that is because z must be in a step that is not the rate determining step. So the rate determining step determines the rate law. So z must be in one of the steps that does not affect the rate because it is a fast step, not a slow step. So then in letter C, they ask us to propose a mechanism. So I went simple and proposed a two-step mechanism. And x2 collides with a y, knocking off one of the x's to form xy plus x. And then the intermediate x collides with z to make xz. Now if we assume that the first step is a slow step because it involves the breaking of the x2 bond, and the second step is a fast step because all it is required is to form a bond, then we would say that the slow step determines the rate, and the slow step is first order x2, first order y, because it's unimolecular x2, unimolecular y, overall bimolecular, overall second order.